Hello everybody. Today is Sunday, October the 6th, 2013. My name is Michael Wright and this is the Weekend Elliottwave Outlook. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over the risk disclaimer. Awesome. Let's jump right into the markets. Let's look at our current trades. We are in three as of late. We are in a Euro Aussie short. We are also in a long Kiwi dollar, and the third one is we are also in a Aussie yen. Let's look first at the Euro Aussie. Stops on this trade are already at break even. Got short at 144.77, and now we have broke this bottom side trend line support too. So any moves back higher are roughly short. Right now prices are at 143.64. Outlook remains with targets of 140. Okay. Um, so again, looking now at the Euro Aussie, you'll see break of that support area that we drew before. So ideally, anything back towards 144.10 about. I like for shorts into that 142 area. On a bigger term time frame, pound Aussie probably get out early, but you know what, book profits, and we were already in a couple Aussie pairs, so didn't want for everything to pull back. Book pound Aussie for about 200. But in the bigger picture, I do like it much lower, even into 167 about. Could even get into 165. All right. You have the daily bearish divergence, which basically points to lower levels in the pound Aussie, and then Euro Aussie you have just around the same thing. Okay. You got to get to the short side. We already broke the daily support area. This could get down into 137. All right. So I'll hold Euro Aussie. I know we said new lows, but I can modify it and break it down to 137. So again, with two big target zones, I just booked on pound Aussie, but I will look to re-enter if it could have a back move. It'll be difficult to see where a bounce comes from, as it continues to shatter a lot of support zones. But if it can make a move somewhere near back towards 170, 171, like that on the short side, or I don't rule out a period of consolidation before it comes to back test this descending trend line from the highs of 174. Meanwhile, as we kick off, I said, as I said before, we are in this Aussie yen long side here. All right, so it's continuing to stay long the Aussie yen and looking for at least 91. Look for 93. I think it could get much higher. We entered at 91.77. The next big target zones, and it will come off of the Aussie dollar too. But the next big target zones, you're looking at 98. All right. So again, another big target, similar with Euro Aussie. Kiwi dollar have going higher. Wait for that 4-hour close above this trend line. We tested already, had some back moves, so we'll need to make that 4-hour close below 83.20. Above there, looks higher into 85. All right, so 200 pips there. All right, so minus that, with the outlook now for the Kiwi dollar in place, Kiwi yen is a potential new trade looking to enter. Just looking to enter it above 81. Above 81.20 about, get a 4-hour close above there. That would be ideal. And then as of now, we see CAD yen testing the descending trend line. Depending on how it's drawn, it broke, but if you connect the wicks, it's at that zone there. But because I'm already long ASEAN, I'll just look for only longs. And we already have ASEAN breaking out, so that could be the leading. And then I would just need to see a 4-hour close above this descending trend line for Kiwi yen to get long, looking for new highs into about 84. Alright guys, I want to thank you all for watching today's weekend video. I will be in the chat room. Feel free to write me in the chat room or Skype me directly at wtcg.mike. Cheers, everyone, and good luck trading.